Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One great news is coming from Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is hiring 2023 and 2022 passed batch candidates through Tech M Super Coders Hiring Challenge. So for this, qualification should be BE, BTech, MCA or MSc degree. What are the eligible branches? I will discuss in this video. What is the eligibility criteria? I will discuss in this video. Salary will be up to 5.5 lakhs per annum. Job location will be across India. Job role will be software engineer. You need to apply before 28th February 2024 at 8 p.m. Right? So in this video I will discuss what is the eligibility criteria, what is the selection process, what are the required skills, how to apply step by step. Everything I'll discuss in this video, so please watch full video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Dates for You, where you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this website naukri.com. Here this job is posted. You can see all the details regarding this job, right? Registration closes on 28th Feb at 8 a.m. right? So you can see round 1. So there will be total 3 rounds. Let's discuss regarding rounds first. Yeah, let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be round 1 will be conducted on 28th February from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Don't worry, I will discuss in this video how you can choose your time slot. Don't worry, I will discuss in this video. So in the round 1, there will be total 30 questions, and you need to solve those 30 questions in 30 minutes. And questions will be from aptitude, logical reasoning, English and grammar. Right? So once you will clear round 1, then you will be eligible for round 2. Round 2 will be aptitude and advanced coding. Right? Once you qualify round 2 as well, then you will be eligible for technical and HR interview. That will be face to face. Right? You need to visit any Tech Mahindra office that you will get via email. Right? So now let's discuss let's scroll here. You can see this is the test structure. You can see test consists 3 sections: verbal ability, logical reasoning, quantitative ability. Each section contains 10 multiple choice questions, and you are required to attempt all the questions within the time allocated time frame of 30 minutes, right? And time allocation, you can see it is recommended to spend approx 10 minutes on each section. So you need to spend 10 minutes for verbal ability, 10 minutes for logical reasoning, and 10 minutes for quantitative aptitude ability. Okay, after that you can see, so test duration I have already discussed. So now let's discuss what are the responsibilities. You can see key responsibilities once you get the job. You can read about this, right? So now let's discuss how to apply. I think I did not miss anything, right? After eligibility criteria. So regarding eligibility criteria, 70% criteria is there. So you should have at least 70% or 6 or 7 CGPA in your 10th, 12th or in your graduation, right? And eligible branches are eligible courses. BE, BTech candidates can apply, but if you are from BE or BTech, then your eligible branches are computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENC, ENTC, telecom, communications, electronics, information science, mechanical, triple E, electrical. So if you are from these branches, then you are eligible. But if you are from MSc, then computer science and IT background candidates can only apply, and MCA candidates can also apply. Year of pass should be 2022 and 2023, right? So these things I have already discussed. So let's scroll. Now let's discuss how to apply. That is very easy, simple. You need to click here and enroll. Once you click here and enroll, here you need to select your time slot. Here you can select your time slot 11 a.m. to 11:30, 12:30 to 1. There are multiple time slots, so you can choose, for example, 5 p.m. to 5:30, right? After that you can do your percentage. What a percentage? If you have at least 70% marks, then you can click here, right? And if you have at least 70% marks in your 12, then you can click here. Please note, if you don't have 70% marks in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation, then you will not receive any exam link, right? So 70% criteria is there. Similarly, you can fill this. After that, please share your post graduation if applicable, right? You can click here. Or it is not mandatory, actually. You can ignore this if it is not applicable, right? So after that, year of passing, whatever, 2021 or 2023 or 2022, right? And your course, whatever course is there. So if you are from BE, BTech or MC or MSc, right? So after that, you need to click here submit. Once you click on the submit, then you are done. After that, if you are eligible, then you will receive an online exam link from this company, right? Yeah, so please apply. This is a really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp channel. Links are already given in the description box for, right? Yeah, thank you for watching this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos.